So we're here in H-Town, and it is the month of January, and I am so excited because we have some of the OGs. Like, you don't understand, like barbecue's been going on in Houston forever. These guys were doing pop-ups before pop-ups were cool. Like, you know, everybody does pop-ups now, but they were the OGs of pop-up, and they were doing it here in H-Town because we all know H-Town has some of the most diverse barbecue, and none other than Feges BBQ. We have Erin and Patrick, and we're gonna do some amazing things today. So, get ready for the month of January. It's gonna be a blast. I'm out. We're literally backyard BBQ. We're serving Zavala's barbecue. This is live. It's unbelievable.
Golden, brown, and delicious. That's what we all call you.
So we're so excited. I get to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Feges BBQ. Patrick, Erin.
Yay! Yay!
Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Like, I have to say, I was y'all's biggest fans. I've watched your journey. I listened to the podcast from Tales from the Pit.
3-hour-long podcast.
It was. It is the longest podcast that they ever had.
Yeah.
Because your story is amazing.
A three-parter.
Three-parter.
Yes.
And then also, like, just how y'all met. Like, it's amazing. Y'all are truly a foundational pieces of Houston culinary, right? Y'all do so much. And y'all have to, like, I know y'all do get thank yous a lot, but, like, seriously, like, it's hard. Even I struggle with stepping back. Like, you are amazing. Like, I know sometimes it doesn't feel like it. You feel like you're getting kicked in the balls.
Yes.
Yes.
But y'all do so much, and people do recognize it. And people, your peers, we recognize it. And thank y'all so much. And especially like taking your time out today to teach you in the backyard how to make some amazing stuff. And y'all are the first people to use a pizza oven.
Pizza oven. Yes. It's a Gosney Dome that we are absolutely in love with.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna actually do two things today. And the first thing, as you can see, is some dough. What are we gonna be doing with the dough?
Okay, so I really thought it would be fun to make you toss pizza. So we're gonna make, we're actually making the same dish that we made at Texas Monthly Barbecue Festival. So
awesome.
We've got some pork jaw pastrami. We're using our Alabama white sauce, just some shredded mozzarella cheese, all things you can easily get at the grocery store, plus barbecue that you can get from your favorite barbecue distributor. And so it's really easy. And honestly, the real trick and technique here is just like finding some good dough and putting whatever you have in your refrigerator, whatever is about to get tossed in the garbage, on top of your pizza.
And we're keeping it real in H-Town. You hear all this background music, it's okay. That's just life. That's what's going on right now.
Point, baby.
Lots of driving around, lots of moving and shaking. That's how H-Town goes.
Welcome to Spring Branch.
If you're lucky, you'll hear some gunshots.
What? That only Texas finest. And then what are we doing after the pizza?
We are going to do some half chicken with Alabama sauce.
Yes.
As they say in Alabama, it's just white sauce.
That's true. Yeah. we just call it white sauce too. But people are like, I don't know if you can say that nowadays.
I mean, yeah. Mayonnaise, right?
Hey, at least you're quiet. Look at that. Shit. Where are we going from here? It's all right. It's all right. So we're gonna come right back, start working on the pizza, and again, this is gonna be fun.
Yes.
We'll be back.
Okay, so we're gonna really put you to the test. So remember, moisture is the enemy. So there's flour on every surface.
I'm gonna follow you.
Okay,
So and remember, I'm not a chef at all.
everybody's a chef.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm putting a combination of flour and semolina down. So I'll do the same for you.
Okay. And what's the difference between flour and, you said semolina?
Semolina. So semolina is a corn. So this is cornmeal essentially. The Italians call it semolina. And so you want to just get that semolina down on the bottom because this was a little bit sticky. And then, so put in your hand. So this is a technique I learned after lots of years of working with pizzas. So the weight of the pizza dough is how you're gonna stretch it out. So pull it up and just pinch it, but be really fast. And you see how it's stretching in like a circular way? Yeah.
Am I done?
Beautiful, yeah. And then put your hands underneath it. And there's gonna be flour everywhere and it's gonna be amazing, okay? So watch this, just. That is impressive.
Oh, I'm so scared.
On your first try. No, we're only gonna do it like one more time.
Okay. Did you go the opposite way?
I just did it whatever way felt natural. I don't even know.
Oh.
We're gonna go in. This is hot, so I don't recommend using your bare hands and just kind of like shaking it out a little bit.
Like shake it off? Shake it off?
That's right. If only, we should have Taylor Swift playing in the background.
Taylor Swift in the background. What's your favorite song?
All of them, but I love Anti-Hero, but I also really love something about the universe, greatest thing in the universe.
Greatest thing in the universe. Something, something, something. Shake it off, shake it off.
Bigger than that, bigger than the whole sky. That's
bigger than the whole sky.
Yeah.
Get that camera on, get that on camera right there. Too fast, too furious. Try to get as much as I can first go.
Yeah. Oh. No, yeah, and then if you just kind of do the little dance.
Oh.
You're good, you're good. If it happens like that, you can just set it all the way back. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I'm so scared. And then just commit.
Commit. Jump.
Did I go too far?
No, you're good, you're good. You gotta kind of, you can always adjust, but now you've gotta let the base cook a little bit before, once it's kind of cooked a little bit, you can adjust it.
Oh my God, you're building my confidence.
Swap, okay.
So,
let it sit, just chill for a little bit.
Oh my God, this is so much fun.
I said just chill for a little bit to Joe Zavala, so that's not gonna happen.
I cannot believe I did this.
I think now you're good because you're trying to get the bubbles. Yeah, you just kind of do a little rotate. And if you think it's easier, you can go in with the big paddle. I just like using that one. Yeah.
Wow, this is fun. I might have to buy one of these now. Hey, Kristen, we're gonna need one for the backyard.
Merry Christmas. Look at that big wart. That's beauty. All right, and set her down on that resting rack.
Oh my God, I cannot believe I did it.
Holy moly. All right, we got a high five for that.
Oh my God, look at, I'm not gonna lie, that is too cool.
I'll take this giant piece right here. Patrick size.
All right, cheers.
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 Delicious.
So good. Look, I think there's nothing better, Americana, than chicken.
Yeah.
You can smoke chicken, you can grill chicken, and today
You can fry chicken.
You can fry chicken. I forgot about fried chicken.
The best chicken.
And today you're gonna pizza chicken.
We're gonna pizza chicken. Well, we're gonna roast it in a pizza oven. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Actually, what we'll do the big opening. Just hammer it.
What?
And
Just make
season
it
both
rain.
sides. Don't season just the top, right?
I love it.
I had a chef used to tell me season the whole steak. You eat the whole steak, season the whole steak. Don't just season the sides.
That is true. Like, look at that. Do not be afraid of seasoning. Like, if you learn anything, do not be afraid. We want you to use a whole bunch of it. We want your family to ask for more. We want you to go tell all your friends and family that you got to use Feges rub. Because you know what? Look at this. I can just smell it. Like, can you eat raw chicken like sushi?
You can.
So we're gonna
look, also like,
oh, just
it all stuck on there. It needed it. It needed it.
it needs all the flavor it can get.
Right? Yeah.
So you're gonna throw it right in?
So we're gonna throw it right in and let that roast.
So you know what we love about Houston? Of course, it started raining.
You don't like the weather? Just wait 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll be all good. We'll be all good. So we got the chicken.
We got the chicken in there.
I think you just hit the temp. It was like right about 165.
Sure, yeah, 165, 170 probably.
I think you said you're gonna pull it out and then you're gonna sauce it up.
We're gonna hit it with some white sauce.
All right.
And then throw it back in there, let that bake on a little bit.
Cool. Let's check that out.
Maybe use tongs, that's hot.
Just a little hot, but it'll be okay.
Starting to get some color. Just radiating off that dome. Just gonna brush the white sauce on. Throw it right back in there.
So you're just looking for it to caramelize up?
Yeah, the sauce kind of bakes on. It's gonna kind of like melt into it a little bit and get some color. You can see it bubbling.
Ooh, a
Yeah.
little bubble.
But yeah, man, no more than a couple minutes because then you're just gonna burn it.
All right, so it's been in there for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and wow. Look at that right there.
Nice and sexy. It's GBD. GBD, you know what that means?
No.
Golden, brown, and delicious.
I feel like an idiot.
Which, you know, that's what we all call you.
Are you want to, Erin, you want to come try some of this chicken?
Yeah.
Oh my God. A little bit, oh, you see, perfect. Gotta get a little skin.
Yeah, you didn't get skin.
Get a little skin, a little meat.
Charred
It's
skin.
like a little skin taco, chicken skin
Ooh,
taco.
we just need some sloppy wonton
And
sauce
the
on top
trick
of
to
it.
chicken is just don't hammer it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. I don't think y'all, like, I know I've said thank you 10 times, but y'all are doing amazing things for barbecue.
Thank you.
And thank y'all so much. And I'm so glad that y'all have so much exciting things coming up. Like, everybody's gonna be able to do this in January and follow along the journey. And then they get to come back, buy more rubs, more sauces. And then, where can they find you on social media?
At Feges BBQ, Feges BBQ, on all of the socials.
Nice and simple, and website.
www. Do we still say that anymore?
Yeah. No.
.fegesbbq.com.
Yes.
Awesome. They have so many great things coming up. And again, thank y'all. And you get to do this January, all this amazing food, and get to have fun with. Make sure you tag them, tell them how much you loved it. We're out.